Hi, I'm Sheena Junyu. I'm from ScaleX and I work for an Australian client. I'm the business operations manager, and as a part of my roles and responsibilities, I am overseeing quality and standards. So, in the organization, I'm making sure that everyone is delivering high quality services. Additionally, I'm also responsible for stakeholder and growth management. So I am building relationships that would drive sustainable growth for the business, also making sure as well that not only our team, but everyone, as a wholesome approach, would have an exemplary experience all throughout the process. Finally, as an operations manager, I'm looking into the operational efficiency. So looking and driving in creating processes for continuous improvement, making sure that everyone has the right tools to be successful and for everybody to reach maximum output. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kay from ScaleX, and I work with an Australian client as their financial controller. The top three responsibilities that I handle for my clients are: first, I ensure the accurate and timely preparation of financial statements, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, making sure that these reports comply with accounting standards and tax laws. Second, I establish and enforce strong internal controls. As an example, when it comes to intercompany transactions, expense claims, or procurement, I need to make sure strict policies are being followed to reduce the risk of errors, fraud, or misstatements. Lastly, I lead the budgeting cycle and monitor monthly variances against actuals. This will help company leaders allocate resources effectively to ensure that they achieve their business goals. That is it for now. I hope I was able to give you a clearer picture of what I do as a financial controller. Thank you so much for listening, and bye for now.
Hi, I'm Kyra and I work for an Australian client specializing in production slash manufacturing in the construction industry. So what I usually do consists of three major things. The first part would be the general administrative role, wherein I work as a customer sales support. I always make sure that my client's inbox is updated and I browse through emails incoming from the customers that we cater to. Now, after assessing those emails from the customer, comes in the minor estimation role, wherein I assess in quantity what material we need, how many we need, wherein that would bridge into the third part of my role, which is the purchasing role, wherein I assess the best supplier to source out what we need in order to produce my clients' customers' requests. So we always need to be analytical, logical, and detail oriented. And of course, we also need to be open to communication, wherein we always make sure that the message is clear between the customer and my client of what they need, so we avoid making mistakes in producing the outputs, because this is a specific industry in production, specializing in construction. Yeah, we don't want to waste time, effort, and material. Yeah, so yeah.
Hi, my name is Eloisa from ScaleX, and I work with an Australian client. I'm a part of the global customer care and operations team of my client, and the top three things that I do for my client revolve around keeping the business running smoothly behind the scenes, making sure that every process is handled with care, accuracy, and timeliness. My role focuses mainly on providing seamless support that helps our client maintain trust and confidence with their merchants. And some of the three key things that I handle for the client will be processing merchant chargebacks. I handle chargebacks with precision, review each dispute carefully against compliance standards and evidence, because every case is assessed fairly to protect both the merchant and the customer. And so we ensure that resolutions are accurate, timely, and aligned with network rules. Second to that is answering merchant inquiries. I assist merchants with clarity and empathy, addressing their questions and guiding them through complex processes. So each interaction is an opportunity to build trust by providing clear answers, practical solutions, and the reassurance that their concerns matter. The third key thing is the processing of merchant applications. So, from initial review to activation, I oversee merchant applications end to end. This also includes verifying documentations, completing compliance checks, configuring their accounts, and ensuring they're fully ready to live use with smooth, secure operations. And so each task I complete contributes to our clients' success and reflects ScaleX commitments to excellence. It's actually fulfilling to know that through our work, we help businesses grow and thrive with confidence. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Hi, my name is Kim from ScaleX, and I work with an Australian client as an executive administrative assistant. The top three tasks I handle are email and calendar management, bookkeeping, including uploading invoices to Xero, drafting contracts and ensuring they comply with Australian laws, and more.
Hi, I'm Les from ScaleX, and I am an executive assistant and an operations manager to an Australian client. I help manage in our daily operations and make sure that everything runs smoothly with the company. And I also process invoices for our ongoing projects. And aside from that, I coordinate between the team, the clients, and our subcontractors to make sure that our projects are on track. I also help in the sales and marketing initiatives to make the business grow and reach more people. I am grateful to be part of ScaleX because I am able to share my skills and my knowledge, and I am also able to help our amazing clients grow their business.